I will talk about nature in three subtopics, which are definition, why the nature is important, and how to maintain the nature. What is the nature? It is the things that are born, exist, and are in the nature of things such as trees, people, and animals, and landscapes, and that are spontaneous without manipulation. Actually, all are from four elements, which are soil, water, wind, and fire. Nature is what it is, such as rain, sunshine, is normal. Can't we stop the rain from raining? We cannot prevent the sun from shining too hot. Nature is like that. We must understand and accept adaptations and change the nature that exists. Let's bring to the next topic, that is, why the nature is important. In other words, why do we have to pay attention to the nature? Nature is the giver. Nature gives us everything to live by letting us breathe fresh air. Vegetables or fruit produce products that can provide us with food for a living. But humans are seeking too much comfort, take advantage of nature beyond the sufficiency. Selfish, unkind human beings are destroying the balance of nature. This is causing nature to be out of balance, such as logging, deforestation, the use of various types of travel fuels, including industries that release polluted air into the atmosphere. Nature, even without saying anything, but it manifests itself by balancing. Did you know that nature perceives our actions? There was an experiment in which participants sensed positive sensations to the water, which they were able to perceive. After freezing water for 3 hours and looking at the water crystals, which was found to be very beautiful. We have 70% water in our body. So, when we feel good about the nature around us, we also send good feeling to ourselves because we send from ourselves to the other. In addition, there is another research showing transmission of good energy by practicing mindfulness with a number of people in the periods of time, effect to harm reduction as well. And so, we want good things to happen to us. We need to take care of these things to stay with us forever. Therefore, how to maintain the nature or how to protect the nature to stay longer without destroying by any selfish people. From the research results mentioned above, healing our mind by conscious inhaling and exhaling with feeling whole body or doing any activity with regular mindfulness continuously results in calm mind. The body then produces serotonin, which is the hormone of peace, resulting in happiness and having compassionate heart. When we have peace mind, this gives us a kind heart, so we will be kind to ourselves, others, and the nature, as well as environment and the world, enabling us to live in peace in the world. This is a simple care that anyone can do. In conclusion, nature is normal things that exist like that. Nature is essential to keep all things balanced, to last forever. When we are part of nature. We therefore need to help preserve nature as well. Save your mind to protect the nature. Once you save the nature, you also save the world, and then save your life. And finally, the nature do protect anyone who do save the nature. And I hope this talk have what your appetite to find out more. And that's all my talk about the nature. Thank you very much for your listening.
Thank you